In this video, I am going to take you through the steps of creating your Amazon influencer account. Right here, I am on the Amazon homepage, and for purposes of this video, I'm logged in under my husband's account because mine is already set up. I want to show you guys how you can set yours up. So I'm going to search the Amazon influencer program, and this is it. It pops up right here. If I clicked on influencer program and then go to sign up, it wants you to choose which account you want to use. I actually was able to get approved through my TikTok account. If I went into that one right now, it might approve me, it might not. Amazon has not disclosed what is approved and what isn't approved, how many followers you need. But the most important thing that Amazon does look at is the engagement. So if you're having trouble getting approved, I would definitely look at your engagement and try to increase that. So I'm going to choose my Instagram account because I know that it will not be approved. Just as what you get, it's automatically going to take you to your Instagram account and it wants to try and access it. You're going to allow that access. And then once I do this, it comes back up of a thank you for applying, but you did not get into the program. It says, unfortunately, your account did not meet the eligibility requirements at this time. And this is what happens for most people. When I originally applied for the program, I applied every day, multiple times a day for probably 2 weeks before I got in. It's unlimited. It doesn't matter how many times you apply. You can apply multiple times a day, but it really is about the engagement. So if you don't get in the first couple of times, don't give up. Just keep applying and keep your engagement going.